Gonna walk out for the hurricane. There's our water, and we have some stuff in the house: air conditioner, electric bike. So let's go out here and check out what's going on. Oh, Jesus, good Lord! Sandbags right there. You want some out? You're gonna get wet. So if you can hear the wind, well, that little guy is probably shot. So this is just the start of the hurricane. It's still about 100 miles off the coast. So let's go ahead and walk out here. Let's brave this. See what's going on. Whew. Alright, so I will try to keep you updated. Again, this is just the beginning of it. I think the winds are probably about 40-50 miles an hour. So I'm going to try to do this as much as I can, let you know what's going on. So I'm going in, I am getting soaked.